Alright, continuing with the story. So, dili siya ganahan makigigala sa mga bating insekto sa iyang gipuy-an. Alright? So, dili siya ganahan, she doesn't like makikigala means to become friends, right? The root word here is higala, meaning friend. So makikigala is to become or to have a friendship or to become friends. Sa mga bating insekto, bati is your root word here, meaning ugly, like bati, something that's not attractive, something that's ugly in nature, right? Bati nga, right? That nga ligature, bating insekto, sa iyang gipuy-an. So she didn't want to become friends with the ugly insects in her living area. Gipuy-an is like the place where you live. Puyo is the root word here, but when we conjugate this word, we put the gi and the an ending, gipuyo-an, it has that morphological process of deletion, gipuy-an, right? Puyo again is the root word meaning to live or to reside. Paspasan gyud nila og paglupad aron walay makaapas kaniya. This means, so paspasan good siya. Paspas is the root word here meaning to become quick or fast. Paspasan gyud nila og paglupad. So she was flying fast because paglupad is the word here to fly. Lupad is the word to fly. Or to fly away, lupad. So paspasan gyud nila og paglupad. She was flying faster than them so that aron walay makaapas kaniya, so that no one will pass her or will pass by her, right? Makaapas. Apas means to pass. That's the root verb here. Apas kaniya, to her, right? Pass to her. No one will pass to her or pass by her, right? Usa ka adlaw, one day, samtang nang suroy-suroy siya. So samtang meaning while or meanwhile, right? What's another word for this? There's another word for this that exists in Cebuano too. I'm blanking out, but it's the a synonym. There you go. Another synonym for samtang is mientras, right? Mientras meaning meanwhile or while something else is happening. So where were we? Usa ka adlaw, one day, samtang nagsuroy-suroy, meanwhile or while she was going out. Suroi means like to have a good time, going out, going la la la, let's just go and see what's up. You're just kind of taking a breeze, taking a walk. So while you're taking a stroll, or while she was taking a stroll, sorry, na ay tulo ka mariposa nga nagtan-aw kaniya. There were 3 butterflies that were looking at her or to her kaniya. Remember, this is written the oblique or objective form, meaning to her or for her, right? Or for him. Kanindot sa iyang mga pako, sulti sa mariposa nga adunay pako nga pula. Oh, kanindot is the root word here. Ka remembers the intensifier, so how beautiful, right? Oh, how beautiful. Sa iyang mga pako, how beautiful are her wings. Pako is wing. Remember, mga pako means wings. How beautiful are her wings, said the butterfly. Sulti sa mariposa said the butterfly nga adunay pako nga pula, that has wings of red. Okay, pako nga pula, wings that are red or red wings. Maugyud kay adunay lain-laing nga mga kolor. Yes, indeed, because there are different. So yes, indeed, because kay adunay means it's the existence verb, meaning there is, right? Adunay lain-lain. Lain itself just means different, but lain-lain, when you reduplicate it, now it's like different kinds, right? Many different varieties, right? So different varieties, lain-lain nga mga color, different kinds of color. Ingon sa mariposa nga adunay pa ako nga itom, says the butterfly that has wings that are black, or black wings, right? And then the next sentence is, higalaon ta siya, sumala sa mariposa nga adunay pa ako nga puti. So let's be friends with her, right? Higala means friends, but higalaon means like the imperative form of we do it, like we will do it. It's to friend this person, right? It's the imperative form to friend in the plural, right? Higalaon ta siya. Oh, we will friend her, or Yeah, if the word friend were a verb, you're gonna friend someone or to befriend someone, you can use this one. I'm gonna friend you, right? I'm friending you now. This is kind of like that imperative for I friend you, right? So we friend her. It's pretty much saying higalaon ta siya. Remember this ta is that kita form, right? Higalaon ta siya. Sumala sa mariposa nga adunay pa ako nga puti. According to the butterfly with the white wings. Naglingo-lingo si Lunig ug nakatawa sa tulok ka mga mariposa nga nagsunod niya. So naglingo-lingo. Lingo-lingo, the word here is lingo, which means to shake your head. Shaking your head like no, 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 like you're useless, tis, 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 right? It's kind of like that. That is what is kind of being expressed here. Naglingo-lingo means like, oh, I'm shaking my head no in disapproval, right? So naglingo-lingo si Luning. Luning shook her head, and nakatawa was laughing at the three, sa tulo kamang, was laughing at the three butterflies that nga nagsunod niya, that followed her. Niingon siya sa iyang kaugalingon. She said to herself, dili ko nila kay mga bati silag mga pako. So dili ko nila is meaning to say I'm not worthy of them, or they're not worthy of me. I'm not best suited with them. I'm not good enough for them. Right? Dili ko nila. So not me, them. Not me, them, right? I'm not, I guess you can say like I'm not worthy for you, or you're not worthy, they're not worthy enough for me. They're much lower than me. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like it's indicating that dili ko an ana, that's not for me. Dili ko ana, that's not for me. I'm too good for it. Or dili ko nila, they're not for me. I'm too good for them. Right? So, dili ko nila, I'm not for them, because mga bati silag mga pako, because they have ugly wings, right? Mga bati silag mga pako. They have really ugly, not really, but they have ugly wings. Okay. Makikig. What the heck? I think I misspelled this one. Makikigala ko. It's actually makikigala. I missed the I. Makighigala ko lang sa mga mariposa nga maanyag ug matahom. Right? I don't need to explain makikigala means she says that I'm only going to be friends. Right? Makikigala ko lang, so I'm only going to be friends sa mga mariposa, to the butterflies that maanyag ug matahom. I already explained what those are, who are beautiful in nature and are, I guess, beautified or becoming beautiful or very beautiful, right? Nga maanyag ug matahom. Okay, so let me read this like it's a story, and we'll see. Dili siya ganahan makikigala sa mga bating insekto sa iyang gipuy-an. Paspasan gyud nila og paglupad aron walay makaapas kaniya. Usa ka adlaw, samtang nagsuroy-suroy siya, naay tulo ka mariposa nga nagtan-aw kaniya. Kanindot sa iyang mga pako. Sulti sa mariposa nga adunay pako nga pula. Maugyud kay adunay lain-laing mga kolor, ingon sa mariposa nga adunay pako nga itom. Higalaon ta siya. Sumalapas sa mariposa nga adunay pako nga puti. Naglingo-lingo si Luning ug nakatawas sa tulok ka mga mariposa nga nagsunod siya. Niingon siya sa iyang kaugalingon, dili ko nila kay mga bati silag mga pako. Makikigala ko lang sa mga mariposa nga maanyag ug matahom. Alright, so let's see how you did.